For the beginning I stripped all parts out. You can see the tube, and this is the rest of the chassis, and this is the front panel, which is totally deglued. I tried to wash it up, and then I realized that it will lose the glue, so I had to remove all knobs, all small parts that keep together, and you can see how many parts are there. And after washing up a little, I already used air compressor to blow off the dust, and after that only replacement of bad electrolytic capacitors, and then calibration in next video. I have a lot of work now, and after 2 or 3 hours I hope it will as brand new.